Celebrating light across cultures. The Festival of Lights. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and illuminating topic, the Festival of Lights. This phrase is not just a term. It's a celebration recognized in various forms around the world, symbolizing the triumph of light over darkness. Whether you're a language learner or a culture enthusiast, understanding the depth of this phrase can enrich your knowledge and appreciation of global traditions. So, let's light up our learning today. The phrase, Festival of Lights, refers to any celebration that prominently features the use of lights or fire. It's a symbolic representation of good overcoming evil, light over darkness, and knowledge over ignorance. Many cultures have their own versions of a festival of lights, each with unique traditions, stories, and customs. The use of lights, whether through candles, lamps, fireworks, or electric lights, serves as a common thread that binds these diverse celebrations together. Diwali. Originating in India, Diwali is one of the most well-known festivals of lights. Celebrated by millions across the globe, it signifies the victory of light over darkness and good over evil. Homes and public spaces are decorated with small oil lamps called diyas, and spectacular fireworks light up the night sky. Hanukkah, the Jewish festival of lights, commemorates the rededication of the Second Temple in Jerusalem. It's celebrated over 8 nights and days, with the lighting of the menorah, a 9-branched candelabrum, at its core. Each night, one additional candle is lit until all are illuminated. Loi Krathong. In Thailand, Loi Krathong is celebrated by floating decorated baskets, called krathongs, on rivers. This festival occurs on the evening of the full moon of the 12th month in the traditional Thai lunar calendar. The sight of thousands of krathongs, each with a candle, creates a mesmerizing effect on the water, symbolizing the letting go of grudges, anger, and negativity. Christmas. While not often labeled as a festival of lights, in the traditional sense, Christmas in many countries involves the decoration of homes and cities with lights, illustrating joy, warmth, and the celebration of life. The tradition of lighting Christmas trees and adorning buildings with electric lights brings a festive spirit that lights up the darkest months of the year in many places. In many cultures, light is a powerful symbol. It represents hope, purity, and rebirth. The Festival of Lights, regardless of where it's celebrated, shares this common theme of pushing away the darkness. It's a time for reflection, forgiveness, and new beginnings. These festivals encourage people to look beyond their immediate circumstances and remember the universal virtues of love, kindness, and community. The Festival of Lights, in its many forms around the world, brings people together to celebrate the universal human spirit that seeks light in times of darkness. It's a beautiful reminder of our shared humanity and the light within each of us that can make the world a brighter place. Thank you for joining us in exploring this luminous topic. We hope this video has not only enlightened your understanding of the phrase, Festival of Lights, but also inspired you to see the light in the cultures around you. Until next time, keep shining bright.